Hey guys, good afternoon, good evening, good night, whenever time you are watching this video. Welcome to Charm Cooking Lifestyle. So today I'm gonna jerk some chicken wing. It's already washed. So this is the chicken wing. Oh my god, it's a lot. So I'm getting ready to season it. So this is all the season I will be using today. I'm using Slap Ya Mama seasoning. I'm using some Cajun seasoning, some Larry seasoning, some adobo, and some Creole seasoning, and some jerk seasoning, and I'm using some mushroom soy sauce for my browning, and I will be using some Maggi seasoning. So that's all the seasoning I will be using today to jerk this chicken. So first I'm gonna use the Slap Me Mama seasoning. I'm not gonna measure the seasoning, I'm just gonna eyeball the seasoning what I'm putting on. And that's the Creole season that likes to choke me. And that's the Cajun. And a little Larry. And I don't know how I can't forget my 3-in-1 season, the jerk season, season to the bone, and the jerk season, and Maggi. Okay, this is the garlic powder. Yep. And this is the onion powder. And I'm gonna put a little bit of Maggi seasoning on it. And then I will be putting this browning. Yep. Gonna use some Grace pepper sauce. And I'm just gonna put some jerk seasoning in there now. Yeah. Yeah. I'm just gonna empty. It's not a lot in the thing, the bottles. I'm just gonna use what's in there. I have another bottle too. I'm just gonna rub it in now, guys. Yeah. I'm just rubbing it in. Yeah. Rubbing it in. Get it in there. Yeah, I'm not gonna leave it to saute for a long time. And I'm gonna make some mashed potato with that, guys. Jerk chicken wing and mashed potato. That's what it is. Here. I'm just gonna make it stay for a couple seconds and couple minutes, and then I will put it in. I have the oven on and 400. Hey guys, I'm back. I just throw out the chicken wings in this, and then I am going to cover it, and then later I will take off the cover for the catch the color. Yeah, but this is what it looks like. Oh, guys, yeah, this is what it looks like. Stay tuned, guys. Hey guys, I just put it in the oven, and I'm leaving it there for 45 minutes. So after 45 minutes, I'll show you guys what it look like. Just stay tuned and watch what's going on. Hey guys, I am going to start making the mashed potato. So I'm gonna start peeling the potato. So yeah. Guys, I'm putting water in the potato now. I'm gonna put it on the fire to cook. I'm gonna put it on now. It's like a little. Stay tuned, guys. I put it on the fire. I'm turning on the fire. Put it on high. Stay tuned and watch what's going on. Some salt into the potato. So this is like I'm putting like a teaspoon of salt in there in the potato. And I'm gonna taste it later and see if it needs a little bit more, because I don't want it too salty. And then I will just put some more salt in there. It's on the fire, it soon start boiling up. It didn't start boiled up as yet. I'm gonna cover it. So I'm gonna rinse this back off. So guys, when the chicken finish jerking, I'm gonna mix up the jerk sauce and put it on it. It's just over jerk chicken. It's not on the grill or anything. It's just I'm doing it in the oven. So I'm gonna make the sauce. Then I'm gonna put it back in the oven so it could catch the color. It could continue to jerk. Guys, just stay tuned. Stay tuned. And guys, don't forget to like, share, and comment and subscribe. I truly appreciate it. Thank you guys for supporting this channel. And I know that God will bless you guys, okay? And I'm gonna start mashing the potato now. So stay tuned, guys. I'm gonna strain it off and start mashing the potato. I have like about 25 minutes left on the chicken in the oven. So yeah, guys. Hey guys, I put milk, mayo, I put a little bit of onion powder, a little bit of Larry, and some garlic powder, and some adobo I put in there. And I am mixing it now. Yeah, guys, so it's mashed up already. So here it is. Yeah. And it tastes delicious. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel. I will truly appreciate it. Oh guys, you should taste this mashed potato. It tastes so good. It's delicious. So I'm about to make the sauce for the jerk chicken, and I will show you guys. I really truly almost forget to, you know, show you guys when I was putting in the stuff in, like the mayo and the milk and the season, but yeah. But here it is. Yeah. I need something to... Okay. Hey guys, so I'm here making the sauce for the jerk chicken wings. So I take the juice, the gravy from the chicken wings, and I take off some and put it in this bowl. In this bowl, and I put like 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, half a tablespoon of and now I'm gonna put some ketchup in there in the sauce I'm making for the jerk sauce. I'm just gonna add some honey, about a teaspoon of honey in there, and then I'm gonna mix it around like this, guys. Mix the sauce around, and then I'm gonna put it over the chicken wings. See, and then I'll just put it back in the oven so it continue to the sauce just usually, guys, you could just pour it on it, but I'm using the spoon and I'm just putting it and covering it back with the sauce, the jerk sauce. So, and then I'm gonna put it back in the oven. Yeah, I'm gonna put it back in the oven. for maybe about another 10 minutes or so. And after that, I'll take it out and then I'll show you guys. Yeah. So guys, this is what it looks like so far before I put it in the oven. So now I'm gonna put it back in the oven. Oh, okay guys, so it's in the oven now. So I'm gonna just leave it for like 10 more minutes and then it should be ready. Stay tuned guys. Watch what I want. Here guys, I come to the end of this video. This is what it looks like. The mashed potato, jerk chicken wings, and some carrots, broccoli, and cauliflower for the vegetable. So guys, this is it. Don't forget to like, to share, and to subscribe and comment. Guys, remember that God is love. Love your neighbor as you love yourself. And guys, have a blessed day. Bye guys.